77 to my daughter who's turned 9, everybody enjoyed it. I think that's very, very important. And I think the best thing about this place I liked is that we live in a world which is all about marketing, and we try selling a lot of things, that here nobody told me that you need to, believe in Mahaprabhu. Nobody told me that, you need to buy this, you need to buy that. No, it's about belief. It's about believing in a way of life, in a belief. Good evening. My name is Subbalakshmi, my mother Parvati, and my daughter Ditya. While I stay, I am from Calcutta, but I stay in Hyderabad. And how I came to know about this place is through the internet. When I was looking for places to take my daughter to know about our culture, specifically the Bengali culture, the Hindu culture. That's when I got to know about this museum. I do come for the Durga Puja that happens very close by, and I keep seeing the museum. Ma wanted to come here, and the experience is absolutely stunning. The way they have made it. The best thing I found is that along with having written material in 3 languages, we also have somebody to explain things, so it gives a big human touch. Everybody knows about Mahaprabhu, but people like me who don't know too much, they get to know more about him and feel a lot of sense of pride that we belong to such an illustrious Bengal where it is about knowing the Lord, living with the Lord, and how the Lord has stayed with us for centuries and years. Intertwined in bhajans, kirtans, way of life. It's an extremely beautiful museum. I would invite everybody to come here and see his entire life, and also Srila Prabhupada who established and brought the name of Mahaprabhu to us. The downstairs, the mandir is beautiful, but I think that one should start with the museum. People like us who did not know as much about Mahaprabhu only knew him as only as Mahaprabhu. But coming here, you get connected with what is happening. It's beautiful. People who helped us to understand also was a very beautiful experience. Ma is more learned about this. I am not.
And খুব সমৃদ্ধ হলাম, অনেক অজানা তথ্য জানা গেল। আর যেহেতু সুন্দর করে উপস্থাপনা করা হয়েছে মূর্তি দিয়ে, মানে আমরা যেন মহাপ্রভু খুব কাছের মানুষ হিসেবে দেখতে পেলাম, সেটা খুব ভালো লাগলো। আর এই যে গ্রামীণ সংস্কৃতি যেগুলো লুপ্ত হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমাদের টেরাকোটা সমস্ত জিনিসগুলোকে এনারা আবার তুলে ধরেছেন, খোল খড়তাল, এগুলো তো আমরা ভুলতেই বসেছি। এত খুব সুন্দর উপস্থাপনা, আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
Visually খুব ভালো, আর I think the fact that we are able to, reading is one thing, but seeing is another thing, that when you get to see, today is the first day. I always knew Mahaprabhu's name to be Nitai, but I never knew it is because of the neem tree, for example. Okay, I knew that his name has Nimai. Sorry, Nimai. The fact that he was so good looking was because of the beautiful visualization of him. The terracotta work is very nice. The printing press and all Guruji's works that has been kept here is remarkable. I think that it's very important to connect to humans. While Hinduism talks about Akar and Nirakar, but it's very important to see the Akar to connect to the Nirakar. Even this place that I'm sitting has this absolutely fantastic ceiling. It's stunning. I mean, the experience has been wonderful. It has been made very simply. I think even Ditya, my daughter, also you want to say something? Did you like it? Yeah, I think it's important that from my mother who's 77 to my daughter who's turned 9, everybody enjoyed it. I think that's very, very important. And I think the best thing about this place I liked is that we live in a world which is all about marketing, and we try selling a lot of things, that here Nobody told me that you need to, believe in Mahaprabhu. Nobody told me that, you need to buy this, you need to buy that. No, it's about belief. It's about believing in a way of life, in a belief. So I think that's the best thing, that there is no selling, there is no push sales of the Lord, and you feel the Lord here. I think that's the best thing. And they asked me to talk. I think I love that too. Please, most welcome. Please come here. Please see. It's today's Phuldol, and beautiful. They welcomed us and showed us so many things. Please come. It's an experience that one will carry back home. Thank you.